Ready?
Yep.
All right, so we're here with Casey Fuller. He becomes officially the fifth fighting Scot to qualify for Friday after his 6-2 win over Iowa's Patrick Rhoads. But just go with us, all the motions you went through today after your first loss to Missouri and just your match just now. So,
the first loss was tough. Kid was good. Draped real well. Rode me tough, but I had to get amnesia about it. I called my girlfriend and my family, talked to them. They calmed me down, and I was able to go out and get the win in the second.
right. I don't want to get personal, but was there anything your family said that stood out to you?
No, they just calming influence. We didn't talk anything about wrestling. We just talked about life, not wrestling.
Oh, excellent. And so what's your preparation for tomorrow now that you're moving on officially?
Good night's sleep, good nutrition, and just be ready to scrap again tomorrow. Every match is a war.
All right, and anything to say to your teammates about tomorrow, tonight?
Sometimes
weekend?
the toughest guy takes third, not first.
Excellent, Casey. Thank you very much.
Thank you.